Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you 2016 Porsche Cayenne. What happens if your electronic key fob malfunction and you want to get into your car and you won't be able to get in your car because your key fob is not working. But how you can get it into the car with the blade key, that I'm going to share with you. Let me show you. This is all electronics. So when you're going to see there is a no key slot, and how are you going to get into that? This is where the key is located, and it's right underneath this. And if we look at the bottom, you will see the hole right here. There is a cutout, and this is your key fob. Supposedly it's malfunction or your battery dies on you and you are locked outside and you want to get inside your car, you need to use a blade key. So this is the blade key. You need flathead screwdriver to open it. You just slide it and then pull it out. Or you can use your fingernail. Insert your nail right here. Do it like this. Then you slide it out. You move it like this and then you just push it out. And this is the blade key. And now this is the blade key we're going to use under this key socket. And we're going to put it inside like this. And then we're going to go like this. You don't have to force it. And as you see, this one opens up the cover and this is your key slot. And now we're going to insert it in and we're going to open. As you see, it lights up. And now we can get into your car. So that's how it's easy. You can get inside your car with the blade key. And now the question is how to put the key cover. So let me show you. So we're going to take out the blade key, and the blade key you just insert it in and just press it and it goes inside. And with this cover, if you see, this is the notch right here, the small tabbing, and these are the two one goes inside. These two holes, this hole and one and down here. This is the cut right here, and that's will go inside. So we're going to put it like this. Once it's seated, then we're going to press it like this. So that's it. That's how you do it. So this is the quick tips and tricks if your key fob malfunction and you can use your blade key. If you found this video to be helpful, like always, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.